How to see campaigns on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find campaigns on Twitch easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Twitch. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner right here, and then you need to go and choose drops right here. Click on the drops option, and as you can see, now choose all campaigns right here, and here you go. Here is the open campaigns, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.